Hello everyone, welcome to this video for ECMN 216. Um, really any of the classes in ECM that we're talking about, RS Logix 5000 and the Rockwell Automation and Bradley software. Um, so for this one, I just want to kind of refresh a little bit. We've been out of class now for about 3 or 4 weeks, and before we get into building HMI screens, I just wanted to go back into the program and point out a couple of things that would benefit you guys and girls if you were to have to go in and build an HMI screen. So I have a little at-home setup here, and basically I just wanted to refresh on RS who active, and the available IP addresses. Keeping in mind that our IP address scheme for the classroom is 192.168.1.112, well, 112 being our PLC. And then if we go into RS Linux Classic, as you can see, much of this stuff is not available, but I do have a HMI screen here with me as well. And the PanelView Plus Compact 600 is the type of HMI screen that we have from the Allen Bradley family of compact HMI touchscreens. So again, that address is 192.168.1.128, and our subnet mask is set to 255.255.255.0. So if we go to the main routine, and actually what I did was I uploaded this program. So again, uploading, keep that in mind, uploading comes out of the controller onto what you're currently working with. All right, and when we go into the HMI screen, we're going to be creating push buttons that are associated with some of these internal bits to the program. So the two screens that I'll be walking you through in the next video, one's going to be for the valves, which are going to be the solenoid to tank, solenoid to next, main tank solenoid or main tank suction solenoid, and station tank suction solenoid. So those will be toggle 01 through toggle 04, controlling the associated outputs. And we're going to need to remember that. So if you want to write that down or make a note of it or what have you, for again, in the event that you were to be able to come in and build an HMI, we'll show you where to put those. Okay, lastly, what I like to get in the habit of doing, especially when I'm about to build an HMI screen, is I want to make sure I save the exact program that I'm going to have in my Compact Logix controller for when I go to build my shortcut in my HMI program. All right, so for this one, I'm going to go to File, Save As, and I'll leave it at station setup underscore test. Okay, that's going to be in the Rockwell Automation folder, and I'm just going to hit save. Okay. All right, so the reason why that is important is because this is the file that I want to use to reference through the building of the HMI screen in the next video. And for that one, we're going to be in Factory Talk View Studio, and we're going to be working within View Machine Edition. All right, so look forward to the next one. Thanks.